I'm Jess, and welcome to Jess Science, science for everyone. Today we're going to be making a duck collar, and all it is a cup like this with a piece of string and a paper clip in the center. I take a damp cloth and I pull on the string, and we get what sounds like a duck. It should be quite easy to do. Let's see how it works. To make a duck collar, you're going to need a cup, a paper cup, piece of string about maybe 30 centimeters or longer, a paper clip, and some water to make your cloth damp. Now, nice and carefully open up the paper clip and very gently poke a hole in the center. So if you poke a hole in the center of the cup and then try and move the paper clip around to make that hole big enough to get the string through. So if you move it around a little bit, you should be able to get it big enough. There we go. Then you can take your string and twist it up to see if you can get it through that hole there. If you need to make your hole a bit bigger, you might have to go back and do that a little bit. And there we go. If we make it a little bit wet here, might be a bit easier. Twisting the string and then threading it through here. Put your hand in and grab it on the other side. There we go. Now, right at the end here, you're going to want to tie it around your paper clip. So if you just thread it through and tie a knot at the end. There we are, here we go. So you've got your paper clip attached to your string. Pop that in the cup just like that, so it is hanging and the paper clip's on the bottom. Take your cloth, get it damp, here we go, and pull on your string. And you get that beautiful duck noise. So what's the science? Well, when we pull on the string, we make that noise. And the reason is because sound is all about vibrations. Now, normally when we pull the string, we don't really hear much. But the cup, it amplifies it, a little bit like a speaker, making that noise much, much louder, and we're able to hear it. Now, give it a try and see if you can play around a bit. Does it make a difference how long the string is? How wet the towel is? Try out a few things and see what makes your favorite duck collar. See you next time. Bye.